Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Cesium in Unreal Engine 5.8 and creating this 3D nice environment city. As you can see, this in the Unreal Engine, and this is the real one in Google Map. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor. Okay, select new project, select your personal template and hit create. Now go to button drawer, select fab, search for Cesium. Okay, Cesium from Unreal and start the project. Okay, click restart now. Okay, close this one, dismiss. Now, after restarting, you can get this Cesium for Unreal. If you don't want to get this, you can go here to plugins and search for Cesium. Enable it and restart the editor and you get this sidebar. Okay, after that, click to connect to Cesium Ion. After clicking this, you can get this icon, this website, Cesium. Connect with your Google account. Allow. Okay, successfully authorized. Okay, after authorizing, you can get this here. Now, let's go here. Set new level. Choose empty level. Click create. Okay, let's get rid of this. Close this. From here. And enable first one, second one, third one, and finally the fourth one. After that, we go Google Photorealistic 3D tiles. Enable this. Use an existing token. For me, you want to choose my default token. Use as project default token. Let's go here, Cesium geo reference on add latitude and the longitude. Okay, to do that, we have to go here to Google. Wanna go here to California. Okay, let's choose this city, for example. Choose, for example, this one, North San Jose. Copy it. And go right here, click new text file. We'll name what you want. Okay, keep all. Go ahead, paste these coordinates. After pasting those coordinates, Control C and Control V to place all those coordinates. Text one, then two. Okay, second one, coordinate. Control C, Control V, and hit enter. Okay. Okay, it takes some time to load. Origin height, make it 0. Okay, this is the place. As you can see, it works fine. This is the north of San Jose in California. You can use this 3D view using the Cesium plugin. You can use it in game file. Okay, let's see what is the difference between places. Let's go here. Control C. Control V. Okay, as you can see, this is the same place. This is the Google. Let's go down here and look at the Cesium. This is the same building. This is the orange building. It's the same red here. Okay, let's see. Close this. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is the system that creates 3D view, and this is the view of Google and Maps. This one is to see this build. Okay, thank you guys for watching this one for this tutorial.